variation of impedance and current with frequency shown in figure. At resonant frequency, capacitive reactance becomes equal to inductive reactance and hence impedance is minimum. Because of minimum impedance, maximum current flows through the circuit. The current variation is shown in figure. If we see, this is nothing but resonant frequency point Fr. At this particular point, this impedance is minimum and current is reached to the maximum value Imax because of minimum impedance. The voltage drop across resistance, inductance and capacitance also varies with respect to frequency. At frequency is equal to 0, capacitor acts as an open circuit and blocks the current. The complete source voltage appears across the capacitor. As the frequency increases, Xc decreases by its formula and XL increases, causing total reactance Xc minus XL to decrease. As a result, impedance decreases and ultimately current increases. As the current is increased, drop across resistance, that is VR, also increases. Ultimately, capacitor voltage Vc and VL also increases. This entire relationship is shown in the diagram. Vc is nothing but voltage across capacitor, VL is nothing but voltage across inductor and VR is nothing but voltage across resistance. VR reaches its maximum value at resonance frequency. The frequency point at which capacitor voltage is maximum is nothing but Fc. We can derive this relation, and FL is the frequency where voltage across inductor is reaching its maximum value. When the frequency reaches its resonant value Fr, impedance is equal to R and hence the current reaches its maximum value. When VR is at its maximum value. As the frequency is increased above resonant frequency, XL increases, Xc decreases, causing total reactance XL minus Xc to increase. Hence, Z increases, that is impedance increases, and the current is decreased. As current is decreased, ultimately voltage across the resistance also decreases and both Vc and VL also decreases. Again, if we increase frequency beyond this limit, that is frequency is very high, current approaches 0 because of the reactances. XL is more, Xc is less, so reactance XL minus Xc is more, hence Z is more. If Z is more, current will be approximately equal to 0 and both voltages, that is voltage across resistance and voltage across capacitance, approaches to 0 value and VL is reaching to the supply voltage Vs. This relationship is shown in this figure. Okay.